How to scan a document with Redmi phone? It is very easy. Here I have a Redmi Note 15 and here I have a document, and to do it you need to go on your phone to Google Drive app. It's pre-installed on all Redmi phones, and here you can tap on the photo icon or on the plus icon, and here we have scan. Now we have here two options, manual and auto capture. I will let on auto capture, and now just put your phone over the page and wait for a second, and here is the scan. Now if you want to scan another page, tap here and again put your phone over the page, wait, and here is the second page. Now to save it, just tap next, and from here you can change the file name. For example, you can tap scan, and also you can change the format. We have a PDF or JPEG, select what you need and choose the location. You can create a new folder here, for example documents, and tap create. And now just tap select and tap upload, and here is the new folder, documents, and here is the scan. Now this file is on your Google Drive, and to save it on your phone just tap here and tap download. Okay, and now go on your phone to files, and here is the scan PDF. Tap on it to open it. If you can do it because we have this privacy statement, just press and hold on it and tap more. Here tap open another app, and here you can select reader from Mi browser. You can tap once, and here is the document. So it is very easy to do it. I hope this video to be useful for you. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.